Let's talk about generators in Python and learn to implement them. Generators produce a sequence of values to iterate on. We'll also watch the generator expression in action. This is a function countdown. 10 times it yields the value of second and decrements it by 1. Print each value it yields, so it yields values from 10 to 1. This one has multiple yield statements. If it's an even number, it yields it raised to the power of 2. Else if it's divisible by 3, it yields it raised to the power of 3. Otherwise it yields the number itself and then decrements it by 1. When num is 12, it prints 12 values: square of 12, 11, square of 10, cube of 9, square of 8, 7, and so on until 1. This generator yields the even squares starting at 0. For 10 numbers starting from 0, we have the squares 0 to 81. Out of these, we only need the even squares, so we have 0, 4, 16, 36, and 64. Now let's try building through a generator expression. This is a list mylist. Numbers is this generator created using generator expression. Take the numbers square for each number in this list. So the next number it yields is 1, then 9, then 36, then 100. Then it raises a stop iteration because there is no more values. A generator is also an iterator.